Good evening, trenches. I should be resting, but I thought to drop this here because nobody knows tomorrow. Whether I go wake up, I don't know. Nigeria government, what is wrong with you people? What did this woman do now? One send and go prison by all means. Now bad thing to come outside complain. Say for say she say this man they sexually harass me. No get wait to never plan follow him. She said these people they try one kill me. Is it not for you to investigate these claims? Invite her. Why are you bent on silencing her? Why are you bent on putting her in prison? Why are you after her freedom? What's happened today? People feel none about the plot that you people plotted today to send this woman to prison. People of God, while we were busy doing justice for Benue, justice for Enugu, do you know that Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan was almost sent to prison today? Beneath grounds, the one you carry her enter. Before we go look, it don't take kri. That's wickedness. President Tinubu, you need to call Akpabio to order. You need to. It's becoming glaring by the day that this is a personal vendetta and not just a government issue. Bemekuna join me here this kind of thing. So the case against Natasha that the federal government sued her on behalf of Yahaya Bello and Akpabio was supposed to come up that day. All of us got to go airport, go stand solidarity. Only for them to say judicial staff they on strike. So courts no open. We say, thank God. Oh yeah, when it be next, which day they bring dates come aside that is gonna be coming up on Thursday here. We say okay, everybody's gonna be there. We are all looking forward towards Thursday, only to somehow get intel that same exact case has been filed in another court. You see what they use taxpayers' money do? Of course, they have it all to spend. The same case in another court. When her lawyer now, Natasha lawyer now, contacted the lawyer that filed for Akpabio. Why didn't you notify me of this case? How are you charging someone to court and they are not aware? They did everything they had to do. She got the document and was gonna, make arrangement for Natasha to appear tomorrow. This is like another court. Only for them to say that the court sitting is today. He had to go to the court and like, I'm just receiving the document. They say bench warrant, meaning Natasha should be arrested. Meanwhile, police where they caught, if it quench the Benue state crisis. They say police in law, say everywhere, police even say inside court, go. Bench warrant, now they wait for me, they go pick Natasha. Because she no green come court. Somebody you did not serve. Do you people understand? Everything I said, it didn't make sense. May Nigeria not happen to you. It was a lawyer that vehemently showed the judge. They are just serving me this today. They are not aware. Which one be bent warrant? Bent warrant about who no green come, who they run. They give us now. And courts, where God go bless that judge. Deny their bench warrants. Give them another day. So I ask Nigerian government again. What exactly is the problem? Is it a Nigerian government problem or Akpabio? Akpabio, what did they bite you? Why are you after this woman? I won't be shocked if on Thursday they try to take her to prison, but I'll be pained if Nigerians keep quiet.
Yes, the Nigerian government charges Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan 6 new cyber crimes. Okay? When this woman saying this thing against Senate President and Yahaya Bello, why didn't two people call this woman to hear? Why don't two people want to hear from this woman first? Why all these charges? Before I even continue, let me just read it. 6 count cybercrime charges filed on June 16, 2025. The Nigerian federal government filed 6 criminal counts spanning cyberbullying, defamation, cyber stalking, and incitement to breach of law and order against Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. At the Federal High Court in Abuja, the case file FFL accusing her of making false statements online and during a studio interview, alleging that Senate President Godswill Akpabio and former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello plotted her assassination and instructed the killing to be carried out in Kogi State to mask it at local violence. Before I continue, she accused somebody, right? Why didn't they hear from her first? These statements were reportedly made on April 1st, 2025 at public events in Ihama Community, Kogi State, and on April 3, 2025 during a Channels TV Politics Today live broadcast. The charges lie on Nigeria's cyber crimes, prohibition, prevention, etc. Amendment Act 2024, specifically Section 24(b) and 24(2)(c). If convicted, Senator Akpoti-Uduaghan could face serious penalties under the law. This is related proceedings. These charges come just weeks after an earlier 3-count defamation suit was filed in May under CR alleging similar defamatory statements about Akpabio and Bello, also pending before the FCT court. Now look at the reaction of the lawyers. This is what Femi Falana said. He said, Femi Falana San, a prominent human rights lawyer, called the new charges unconstitutional, arguing that criminalizing political criticism violates democratic principles, and that severe label would have been more appropriate. Now, another son said, Senator Akpoti-Uduaghan's counsel, West Idahosa, I think his lawyer, affirmed she will contest the charges and describe the filing as a part of due legal process. These people don't have shame in their country, because if these people have shame, this length they went, I don't think they have to go, Now, why are the federal government now charging this woman? Did this woman have anything to do with federal government? Now, is Senate President a federal government? Even if he's a Senate President, he's a number 3. If he's number 3 in the country, good. What of Yahaya Bello? The Nigerian federal government now fighting against this woman because of the president and Yahaya Bello. You guys know what is going on here. But they don't even want to give this woman hearing. I'm not saying that what Senator Natasha said is true. But what we are saying is that give this woman hearing. Let her bring her evidence. Before somebody alleges, before somebody accuses somebody, she should or he should have evidence to prove. If you just give this woman a hearing, and if she doesn't have evidence to prove, that means if you are charging her, it will be well understanding. And who are you charging? Do you have anything to do with this woman? Does the federal government has anything to do with this woman? This woman had problem with Senate President. So why is federal government fighting for Senator Akpabio and Yahaya Bello? Well, like I said, we will see where this is gonna end. And some people might be asking, who is this Senator Natasha? If I have not been following this, Senator Natasha was elected November 2023. She represents Kogi Central, and she is the first female senator from Kogi State. She is a PDP member and former SDP candidate, and known for her activism. So that's who she is. Now, to summarize this, Senator Natasha now is facing these charges because she said that she accused Senate President Godswill Akpabio and Yahaya Bello of, they want to execute her. She said Yahaya Bello and Senate President, they plotted her execution. And they said that they should carry it, according to the people they said, the people should do it in her state so that it will look as if it's her people that buy her. Whereas they should not do it in Abuja so that it will not look suspicious. Good and fine, this is allegation. What is the connection between the federal government, Nigerian federal government, and this case? She didn't accuse Nigerian federal government. She only accused Yahaya Bello and Senate President. So why Nigeria? Why are they charging her for what? Like what I say, we'll see how this thing turns. All eyes are looking. Now you guys know how to charge this woman. You guys know how to take actions, but you guys don't know how to take action. What is happening in Benue State? You guys can just come out and take action, but you cannot take action. What is happening in Benue State? Look at how people just decline anyhow, and nothing is being done. Now you are charging Mr. Natasha. Well, we'll see how it will turn out. But one thing I'm talking about here, we're not saying that what she said is true. We're not saying what she said is not true, or it's lie. She's lying, or she lies against Senate President. But people should just give her hearing. Let's hear from her, and let's see the evidence she has. Somebody cannot just accuse somebody without having an evidence. Okay? But let people know that she has an evidence. That's people just want to shut her up so that she will not bring the evidence. But let's see how it works. Okay? Thank you everybody for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye-bye. See you all in my next video. Bye.